Welcome students. Currently we are understanding about adjectives. In the last class we understood what are adjectives, how these are used in a sentence, when there is only a noun, when a noun is used with some article, okay, when some intransitive verb is there, when some linking verb is there. We understood how adjectives are used. We also understood what are adjectives, what are their kinds. We also understood about adjectives of quantity, and we understood about adjectives of quality. Today, the very first adjective that we are going to understand, this is called the adjective of number. So let's understand this first adjective of today is adjective of number. Adjective of number are used with countables, obviously, or the things which are made countable. You know that there are certain uncountable nouns which can be used as countables in certain situations. So whenever we are using a countable noun, we will use the adjective of number. So it tells you how many. It answers this question. How many? So let's see, these are the adjectives. These are the adjectives which are used with countables. These are the adjectives which are used with countables. Now understand the examples. There were many boys in the class. Another example, he got second rank in the exams. In the annual exam, you can say annual. Few people helped him. Now I am underlining the adjectives. These are the adjectives. Some people came to his rescue. Some people came to his rescue. So here these are the examples. I hope you have understood what are the adjectives of number. Now we will understand about the next one, which is called demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective actually are used to point out the noun The second adjective that we are going to understand is demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective, its basic purpose is to point out noun. It basically points out the noun, and demonstrate means it indicates or points out which noun we are referring to. For example, firstly understand the definition. These adjectives refer or point out the concerned nouns. For example, these books are costly. These books are costly. Here, these is the demonstrative adjective. That pen is hers. That pen, here that is demonstrative adjective. Those cars are of our teachers. So here this is your bag. So here you can understand that this, that, these, those, these work as adjectives when they are used along with some noun. So I hope you have understood what are the demonstrative adjectives. Now we will understand about interrogative adjectives, or we can say adjectives of question. What are the adjectives of question? Adjectives of question are those question words which ask you the question, as well as they work as adjectives also. So what are these? The third one that we are going to understand today is the adjective of interrogation. So let's understand. There are certain words like what, whose, this is the third one. Adjectives of question. The question words, what, whose, which. The question words what, whose, which, these are used as an adjective when they ask the question and work also like adjectives. They are called interrogative adjectives or adjectives of question. These are used to ask questions and work also as adjectives. Example, what topic is taught today What topic is start today by the teacher? What topic is start today by the teacher? So here what is the adjective of question? Which books have you purchased? Which books have you purchased? Which books have you purchased? This is a question mark. Whose bags are lying here? Whose bags are lying here? So these underlined words are adjectives of question. Now we will understand the last adjective, which is the participial adjective, or we can say adjective of participles. Adjective that is made of participles, or we can say participial adjective. So let's see. Participial adjectives. Participial adjectives, you know that there are three participles: present participle, past participle and perfect participle. So the first two, that means the present participle and past participle, these are used as adjectives also. So let's see. This is the fourth adjective today. Participial adjectives. These the adjectives which are also participles are called participial adjectives. These are called participial adjectives. And we know that present participle, that is the ing form of the verb, and past participle, which is the third form of the verb. These are called participial adjectives. How these are used? Let's see. First participle, or we can say ing form of participle. Past participle, or we can say third form of the verb. Here, instead of saying it, you understand it in this way: ing form of verb that works like the participle. Okay, so see the example. I am reading an interesting book. I saw a sleeping baby. Sleeping baby. Sleeping baby. The old man met a tired man on the road. So here you can see that first two are present participle and the third one, tired, is past participle. Okay. I have found a lost purse. I have found a lost purse. So in this way you can understand very easily how participles are working here like adjectives. So I hope you have understood all the four types of adjectives that we have understood today. In the next class we will understand about the classification of adjectives. So, and we will also understand the order of the adjectives. How these adjectives, when a number of adjectives come together, then how these are used. So I hope your understanding has grown regarding the adjectives. And if before I end the class, I want to remind you, if you are a regular student, then you recommend the channel, and if you are a new student, then you subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Thank you.